Kia ora koutou te whānau, welcome back to the authentic Taiaha making vlog. Last segment we talked about the different types of kakao, different types of hanga for your kakao. Now we're going to talk about the actual length of your rākau. Here I've got a little bit of a tent pole. It's easy to basically use it to kind of measure where it is that people are at with their rākaus when they want them made. So basically I'll get them to hold it, and just there they'll stretch it out, and then they'll get the feel as to whether or not they want a long rākau, which is really long. It's about 2 meters long, and then you can shorten it up depending on the types of manoeuvres you want to be doing, the types of piunga that you want to be performing. Whānau, so different styles will have your rākau be different lengths, I believe. I believe also that your physicality has got something to do with it as well. There are different ways of measuring. I've heard that you measure from the bottom of your feet to the top of your to the tip of your earlobe here, also to the tip of your nose, to the under your chin, to your chest. I ask reasons why, and really what it does is comes down to manipulation. If you feel that if you're too long a rākau and you don't have much control in discipline in your movements, it's probably not going to be a good size for you. So he mea nui tērā, me āta tiro ki roto i a koe, pēhea te mamau pai mō, te ronga, te rākau pai mō. Free of constraints. I have seen rākau actually touch the ground in these types of movements, and actually rākau have fallen out of people's hands. I've had it done to myself actually, and so I've realised that with all those flamboyant movements that I love to do, at the same time you've got to be really cognitive of what's actually happening with your rākau at the time that you're moving. So there's a piece of maire here. It's about 2 and a bit meters long. It's very heavy, very dense. It's a great thing about hardwoods. And if you look at that, the thickness, ko te mataturu o tēnei, it's about, just looking at it, probably about 50 millimeters deep, and you've got about a crossway there. You've got around about 12, around about 10 or so centimeters across, 100 millimeters. Okay, and that's the height of it. It's taller than me. You got that selection, you see. And that's why I say be very specific about your lengths, because that timber is ready to go at that height from the ground up. It would be a waste to chop it down into a smaller size. So, man, all you, by the way, all you people out there that are chucking maire on your fire because you can afford to, don't forget about us boys in the city, eh? That'll pay tooth and nail to try and get one of those things. I know my brother over in Tūhoi, who chucks those on the fire for him, and it always cracks me up when I see that. So there you go, from top to the bottom there, maire. It's a 2x4